Hello there. Well, hello there. Welcome back to Sage Day, Sage Anime 2023's channel. I'm Sage Day, and I've been in a virtual machine guy into the Microsoft. Oh, in a Microsoft, and, and I'm giving you a credit because I know that. Oh yeah, I don't want to get community guideline strike for this. Okay, guys, this is the second episode of the thing of the operating system. Try not to get copyright. Try not to get copyright strike on by Microsoft. Okay, today I've been seeing the previous video I made in Windows Server Windows Server developer preview, and now today we're gonna do in Windows Server 2008. So before we get started, the Windows Server 2008 R2, including Server Windows 7, have been end of life since 2020 January 14th, and I really missed them a lot. And they're no longer available for the downloadings. Only Internet Archive though that does. Okay, so now you search Windows Server 2008 R2 download ISO. Maybe you have to use x64 or x86. That's the simple way. And now we're gonna go click on the virtual machine and then click on 17x and then we're custom. I'll use it. It says installing the disk ISO, so I'll use this one. Selection time will be in Windows Server 2008. The reason why I'm not adding music because I am sick tired. So then you go next, or I'll install the operating system later. So I'll install operating system later, and that's the case. So you have to install the disk. So in Windows 7, x64, or Windows 7, you have to pick them the version when if you want to. So you need to type Windows Server. What is it? Sorry, my bad. Windows Server 2008. Next, your site should be stored in here and finish. Alright, so it is Windows Server 2008. I have select 1.5 gigabyte. I better come back. Oops. Hold on. What is that? Oh, nothing. Sorry about that because I'm not gonna expand this. So, alright. So once you're done with that, you're gonna go on the changing compatibility time. Hold on. Oh no, sorry. Oh, hold on. No, sorry. That was my mistake. I better get off my computer soon. Windows 2008. There. Now you're going on. Now we're gonna do this step. And this one. And this one. This. You're gonna go on VMware Tools. The Windows Server 2008. I'll install operating system later. And done. Finish. Alright. So I'm gonna use the CD for that. I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep the file until next time. Alright. And now we're gonna have compatibility time. So I'm gonna manage create a hard disk driver, check the VMware Tuesday after the virtual machine, and done finish. I better go back. Sorry. I'm not gonna use H. There we go. And now to set the timer will be on the virtual machine. Here we go. I'm not gonna finish it. Sorry. Alright. Let me see on full screen. Let me see Perfect. Something fishy going on. It looks like the Windows 7 GUI boot screen. Yesterday I installed Windows 7 post beta, the build 7048, without even live streaming. So this will never ever do that. Okay. In my case, we have to update it. Maybe like similar to here. So this is Windows Server 2008 R2, and it says English in here. So I'll use Romania because I'm Romania. You have to pick time and currently here. Oh, sorry, burp. The Romanian standard. Well, we click next. Install now. Setup is starting. Hmm. These are only the options, so you better use Windows Server 2008 Standard, the Enterprise, Data Center, or the current one. So I'll use Enterprise. That's the way. Then you click Next. We're going to go, I accept all the terms. Next, Custom, and Install. Okay, this will take a while. Just keep watching while I come back. Just in case, I'll use the storage file in case that I'll keep not doing that. And it will get administrator for that. Sorry, guy. I'm not installing on my PC. I'm installing a virtual machine. While I am installing that, I'm just gonna type here. Oh my god, almost there. It is so easy. I'm gonna use pen sometime. So in case I'm still using Windows 10 on my Windows 11 on my main computer, because I cannot downgrade my computer to Windows previous betas. I only allowed to upgrade something it is in the future. Oh. Oh, and also, make sure you need to raise my money in order to get from the iPhone. No, I'm gonna be from my technology, but I'm also gonna make money for that. And also the Windows DVDs. Make sure you need to increase my money for the from AdSense. Thank you. With and make sure you need to give it a super thanks. I'm gonna tell this at the end. Okay? Keep watching. This song here. Something fishy. But I think you will give it a reason. Oh, I almost forgot. You may notice why I changed Windows Server 2008 background because they're going to be it'll be the next one in a do not miss. And I also changed the taskbar to sky blue. And that makes Windows Aero. Without any further ado, there you go. Now it's installing. Now Windows needs to continue, restarting in about 10 seconds. In case that I'm going to get out of here in so no time. You may notice why Windows Vista boot screen instead of Windows 7 boot screen? Well, because Windows Server 2008 didn't have to use to it. So that must be the difference, I believe. It is not even in a Windows Classic. Maybe. Let's find out at the end of this. Let's find out. That's all the information we need right now. Your computer will restart several times during its what? Oh, whatever. My hands are cold anyways. Hmm. Okay, buddy. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna use my headset. It says setup will continue after restarting your computer. I don't see any VMware startup sound. The startup screen. Oh well. It says startup is preparing your computer for first use. Alright, once it's done, you better go on the time. The user password must be changed before on the first time. Yeah. Let's see. Let's see. One, two, three. One, two, three. Your password has been changed. There you go. Now it's done. There you go. Now it is. But I think before we go in through, I'm going to do this one. Maybe it's done. Once it's done, you better go to settings, go to the browse, go to the VMware tools for Windows, and I think that you go into compatibility. I'll use VMware tools. Alright. So before I get started, let me go on the uh, the let's see what services. Alright, now let's use our theme. Here we go. I don't see themes. Oh well. Yours is Windows Audio and the Windows and that the automatic start and apply. Alright. Alright. Now it's done. No, I don't see the desktop window manager. So there's no themes in it. Well, let's see when we go on the features. Add features. Net Framework 3.5.1. Um, yeah, I know. Let's just use it soon. Desktop experience. Next, next, next. Install. This won't take a. This won't take a while. Oh, I think installing will be after this. I had to restart my computer for that. Just wait and see, because just wait and see because the configuring Windows feature will be longer than before, stopping services and shut down. Hmm. Wow, you mean wow? It was very quick though. Hmm. Microsoft Corporation. Maybe it's like Windows Vista. Oh, yeah, company with Windows features. Maybe you had to wait then. You have to follow my instructions and you have to do so. Watch the entire video. I forgot to say. Almost there, guys. 77%. Come on, let's go. We can make it. It will restart the computer afterwards. I may have to use virtual machine for a while. Hmm. It says press Control Delete to log in, so I'll use Control Alt Insert. Now I'm gonna type my. What? Sorry, I made my password wrong. Oh well, we're doing this in the future. Okay. Resuming installation and complete. Alright, we're done for today. And there's personalize here. But I mean, it's not going to be good. Maybe I'm going to go back to services when we started. We have installed it here. Alright, here's Microsoft Net Framework here. I mean, there's gonna be there's gonna be not themes. It definitely worked here. Maybe it's going automatic. Let me automatic. Let me start and let me okay. Alright. It says here. You know it's Windows Classic for some reason. Alright. Next you're gonna install VMware tools. Just in case. You haven't installed VMware tools already. To release the input, I don't care anyways. Sorry for late anyway. So, once it's going to download, I think it's going to be installation in no time. Windows installer. Maybe it's not going to move. Maybe it's something strange. Maybe it's like there's no blues. There's no non-transparent with no fill. It's not right. Maybe it's not. Maybe it's exactly the same as Windows 2000. Or do you say Windows Vista Classic Screen, Windows XP2? Alright, it says typical and then install. It should install here in no time. It should install here in no time. Okay, alright, it's about to install. Wait and see. Because I'm gonna have to enable the Aero before installing VMware tools. You had to follow my instructions before to do so. The timer. Daylight saving will back in an hour. I already know about. It is a black screen though. Windows Classic. You maybe glitchy. Maybe it's done. You didn't finish, and we're gonna says you must insist on the change it now. Stop surfaces and shut down. Okay. Okay. It's time to install some Microsoft corporations to say. Oops. Sorry. Sure. Hmm. I don't know what's going on right now, but yeah, don't show this window at login. Alright. Yeah, 4 out of 42. So, it is done. Now I'm going to do is going on computer. Oh, not computer, sorry. I meant I meant the properties. It says 3 days. Instead of just saying 3 days, maybe it's going to be crazy. Maybe instead of 3 days, it might be 30 days. Instead of three in 30 day in, instead of 30 days, it might be 3 days to activate. But anyway, moving on visual effects, putting a effects experience, we should just add here. And it also shows Windows. Uh, it shows Windows. Uh, dang. There's also moving a direction. Thingy will be activating it. Oh, there you go. Now you have Windows 7 thingy, but it only has one background. It it also change. It changes everything that we do. So it also shows the black thingy. It drags also we can tap Windows key with this one. Oh yeah, we tap Windows key and it worked here. And I think it will be here in no time. Wow, this is helpful. Wow, this also Windows Media Maker has been applied, except Windows Media Center, because Windows Media Center is not going to be good. Anyways, it totally worth it. And also it shows the sound key. It looks like Windows 7. Here it is. Oh, I'm sorry. I forgot about. Sorry. I think I'm going to use it as one in case we're going to have to do it. Here it is. There you go. Well, there's nothing else to do with. So there's no off sleeve or something of accents. So nothing. All I'm gonna do now is gonna install Google Chrome here. Ask me later, sorry. Google Chrome install. Maybe it's not gonna work. Maybe it's not gonna be enabled. Oops. Continue this. I don't care. And there's warning. Here we close. Diagnosing window problems. No, it didn't work. Download now. Here's a warning. Here's his ad about internet. That. Something's not quite right. Maybe you have to install the Google Chrome by using the disk. In case. Hmm. Well, there it is. Google Chrome. I think I'm going to use an ISO. Hmm. Yeah, no. I'm going to add it myself. Hold on. Oh well, resume installation anyway. Maybe you had to look exactly like Windows 7. Connected to the internet. Again, connecting to the internet. I'm about to turn off. I'm about to get off now. Oh, it's downloading. Maybe it's like Windows Basic theme, but there is no rest of it. Installing now. All right, but there's no Windows Mousy Aero. I almost forgot. I see Windows Architector. Architecture. I think it looks slow though, so I'm still gonna use Windows Basic if I used to. Let me see the background, and then we're gonna use desktop here. All right, we're done. I was gonna start. Oh, there it is. Windows Multi-Point Server 2012. You can also see my Talking Android Facebook. Windows Server 2008 doesn't support this one. Yeah, you already know. Yeah, stay signed out because I already have it on my real computer. Alright, so this is how I'm gonna do that. Allow all cookies and no comments, sorry. Alright, so we has a 4 million likes, and I think it only maybe worked in Windows servers. Um, this is the perfect copy CD stall. The new background. I think it looks perfect to me. So 105. Thank that's enough for today. This is last day from Mr. Beast. Last chance. Without Mr. Beast thingy. This is the my talkie time with Mr. Beast and Stinky. Alright, we're done here. Now we're going to get the set on Windows 7 background. Hold on. I better back to the thingy and change the background. Okay, so this is definitely Windows 7, and I think this is the Windows 7 background thing. but I'll show you now this. This is the RTM version of it. So this is crazy, but I don't think it is even crazy because Windows Server 2008 and Enterprise. This is the mouse. There it is, the mouse. And I think I'm gonna use faster. I'm gonna use none. There's no um there's no there's no nothing we need to do with this. So I think I'm gonna use faster than I used it. Let me connect. Oh, instead of shutting down, it's log off. So and there's nothing else to do. I know. I'm gonna open the Action Center, use the account controller. Nothing. Well, that's it for today. Then, okay, shutting down here. It says we have to all in the comments. It says comment to do whenever you want. Here, it's stopping services. Alright. 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 Then hold on a sec. I better restart my machine. This is not Windows Vista logo, this is just a crazy. Oh well. Well, guys, I hope you enjoy. Well, guys, this tutorial. Well, let's see. Yellow's win. Oh well. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed the installing the Windows Server 2008 R2, the standard data center or enterprise editions, and I'll make sure you need to install the virtual machine called Oracle VM VirtualBox or VMware Workstation 17 Pro or VMware Workstation 17 Player. And I think it will be worth it to do all of this. So make sure, well, guys, getting the Aero tutorial is getting very helpful for you all, guys. Make sure to comment if you want to see, if you want to make another episode of the installation. Subscribe to my channel and keep in touch. And check out the previous episode on Windows Server Data Center Edition, Windows Server Developer, Windows Server Developer Review. Windows a Developer PC, Windows Server Developer. Make sure to look at that Windows Server Developer preview, and there's the previous episode, and the previous video that I made, the last video that I made. See you guys later. Goodbye. Take care.